Are you still waking up, buddy?
Come on, buddy. Get your shoulder up.
Alright, friends. Let's go down.
Come on, Daddy, go.
Careful, Lonnie. Frankie's already down there, I think. Causing mayhem. We got a white Christmas. Ooh, so white.
Oh.
Kids have already been down here. So I don't know what to expect. What you got, bud? Uh-oh.
Okay, wait. Can you Frankie open these? See? We told you. We tapped the box.
All right, they're gonna be outdoor kitties. We'll put them outside.
No.
Lonnie, what's over there? Look over there.
Come on, let's open some more.
Lonnie, look over there.
No.
What's this?
That says to Mommy.
What does it say?
Leon. Did you see this, Leon? Look. Leon. Leon, look. The kitty. Hold on, Frankie. Wait 1 second, Frank. Frank. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second.
We're serious.
Leon. Leon, look what you got.
Mommy! Leon, look. Leon, look.
Oh my goodness.
That's Santa cake that teacher
Look,
had.
it's a Waco table.
Ellie,
It's a
look.
Waco table.
Ellie, look.
With a guy.
She got it. Oh, Santa knew. Girl and boy.
Wow.
Ellie, look.
Frankie, what is it? What is it?
Who's gonna play
It's
Santa?
Wait, Frankie, you gotta wait. We're gonna do them one by one, okay?
No, just hold on.
Just hold on a
Can we
minute.
have these two stockings first?
Yeah, go do your stockings, but Mama get some coffee, okay? Help Leon with it.
What is this? Lonnie. Lonnie, what is it? Oh my gosh, is that your Lego table? Just like school? Oh boy.
What is this?
Oh my gosh, Frankie, I had one of those when I was a kid.
What is it? You like that kitty?
Frankie, come here.
Say meow.
Okay, look, it's called a play.
We're gonna make these farm kitties. They're gonna go outside in the snow.
Here, you grab this slide it out.
And say outside, kitty.
Eyebrows in here. And then you shake it and make it all go back and it's done. You can redo it until you this way.
Got some snow yesterday, a little bit.
When you're doing it, so it might work
Dusting.
better if you do it on the floor. Put it down on the floor.
The girl saw Santa's footprints in the snow.
You step it right up. It's a magnet.